Hey, I've had this plant for about a year now, and I haven't watered her. She's been the same pot ever since I bought her. I've lost 2 leaves. She is dry as can be. Yeah, it's time. Let's see. Yeah, she doesn't need some more. The leaves are all dry. Sad. I definitely killed some of those roots in there, so we might stay in this pot. No. Baby. I'm gonna put her in water. I'll be right back. Gonna pour water. Okay, so this is what she's looking like after I cleaned off those roots. This is the pot that I will be putting her in actually. These are too big.